Hi, hello. Welcome to Geology classes. Today we are doing one more problem from admission of a partner. Last class we have done where goodwill is remained in the business itself. So in this question we are solving where goodwill withdrawn by the existing partners. That is how to solve the question and how to treat the adjustments that we are solving. Okay. Let us start the question. Okay. First check the question. What is the data given to you? Please check the question. Okay. Praveen and Kiran, these both are the partners. They are sharing the profit and losses in 3:2 ratios. Now they have taken admitted one more person called Madan. Okay, so that is the data. First, let us prepare revaluation account as usual. Revaluation account, check it out. If asset decreases, you have to show here. Liability increases, debit side. Asset increases and liability decreases, we have to show here. Now check the balance sheet and check the adjustments. What are increased and what are decreased? Let us check it out. I think there is one asset. There is one asset called building. There is one asset called building. Building is increased. Right? Building is increased. How much it is increased? How much it is increased? In the question they have mentioned it is increased from 60,000. It was 46,000 increased to 60,000. So how much it is increased? 14,000 it is increased. Got it? It was 46,000. Now they have revalued at 60,000. That means it is increased by 14,000. Okay. Next, we have to depreciate furniture. Furniture was depreciated. Okay. How much to furniture? Because depreciation in the sense asset value is decreasing. So how much it is decreased? Let me check it out. Depreciate furniture 10%. What is the value of the asset? Asset value is, furniture value is 5,000. On that 10%. How much you will get? 5,000 into 10%, we are getting 500. Next, again machinery also we have to depreciate. How much is machinery? 17,500. That is also depreciated by 10%. We got 1,750. Next, provision for bad debts. It was 1,000 in the balance sheet. They mentioned it should be 2,000. So, is it increased or decreased or how much it should be? They have mentioned it was 1,000. It should be increased by 2,000. So, we are increasing 2,000. Anything else? Let me check it out the data. Yes, you have outstanding legal expenses. How much? 450. So, new liability has arrived. That means liability is increased to outstanding expense. How much? 400. Anything else? Or this is the only data? This is the only data we have. Let's do the total. How much you will get? 14,000. 14,000. Now what is the total of debit? Plus 500 plus 2,000 plus 400. How much it is? Total 4,650. Now let's subtract. So legal expenses are 450. Legal expenses are 450. Then how much you got? 4,700 minus 14,000. Then how much you will get? 9,300. This should be shared between the partners. Two partners capital account. Partners capital account. This should be shared between the partners in the ratio of 3:2. Who are those two partners? What is the names? Let me check it out. Praveen and Kiran in the ratio of 3:2. So write down Praveen and Kiran. 3:2 ratio, 9,300 into 3 by 5. 9,300 into 2 by 5. How much you will get? 9,300 into 3 divided by 5. It is 5580. Then this one 3720. So this is revaluation account. Check it out. What is the data given to you? First check the balance sheet and then check the adjustments. Now compare whether any assets were increased or decreased. If assets are increased, write down credit side. If assets are decreased, write down debit side. Liabilities have increased, then write down debit side. Liabilities are decreased, then write down credit side. If there is no change in the assets or liabilities, it will be remain same only. We will be showing in the same amount with the same amount in the balance sheet. Okay, clear? First copy this one, then we'll move on to the profit and partners capitals account. Okay. Let us start the partners capital account. Okay. So debit credit as usual. So what is the format? First you have to start with capitals by balance brought down. What are the capitals of existed partners? That is Praveen and Kiran. It's already given in the question. Check the balance sheet. It is 30,000 for Praveen, 20,000 of Kiran's. Okay. Now reserve fund. Is there any reserve given in the question? There is reserve, that is 8,000. It should be shared between the partners in the ratio of 3:2. So reserve fund. What are the names of partners? Praveen. How much? 8,000. Praveen 8,000 into 3 by 5. Kiran 8,000 into 2 by 5. Then how much you will get? 8,000 into 3 by 5. 4,800. Then this will be 3,200. So now write down 4,800 and 3,600. Next, is there any profit and loss account given in the question? I think there is no profit and loss account, so no need to show that one. Next, revaluation. From the revaluation, you got some profit. What is that amount? By revaluation account. How much you got? 5,580, right? 3,720. 5,580 minus 3,720. Now, the new partner, Madan, some capital he would have brought, right? So let us check it out. What is the capital he got? By cash account. 30,000 cash and 20,000 he brought as goodwill. So total how much he got? 60,000. So last question, what happened? The 60,000 will be shared between the partners. That's it. It is remains stayed in the business itself. But in this question, according to in AS, accounting standards, what they have said, the goodwill is shared between the partners. That means they have withdrawn the goodwill. They didn't keep that in the business. So how to show that one? Let us see. So by mother account. What is the amount of goodwill? Goodwill is 20,000 and it should be shared between the partners. Who are the partners? Praveen and Kiran. What is the ratio? 3:2. 20,000 into 3 by 5. 20,000 into 2 by 5. How much you will get? 12,000 and 8,000. Is it? 20,000 into 3 by 5. So 12,000 and 8,000. 12,000 and 8,000. And again what happened? Is it stayed in the business? No. It is withdrawn by the partners. So show to cash account. If you want goodwill withdrawn, in the brackets you can mention goodwill withdrawn. What is the amount? Praveen 12,000 has withdrawn. Kiran withdrawn 8,000. And again it is not with Madan also, right? So let us show to Praveen how much? This is same. There is no change in that. In the last question, how we showed, in the same way we have to show here also. To Kiran, 8,000. That's it, right? So these two are same. What is the new thing we have done? It is withdrawn by the partners. So that we have shown separately. Okay. Total goodwill was withdrawn. Sometimes only half, 1/4 like that they will withdraw. When that kind of question comes, that time we will do. Okay. In this question, total goodwill was withdrawn by both the partners. This is how we treat the goodwill. Let us do the total. I think we have left over one more transaction, that is by profit and loss account. What is the amount of profit and loss account? It is 15,000. That is also shared between the partners. Profit and loss account 15,000. How to treat? Praveen, 15,000 into 3 by 5. How much you will get? I think 9,000. Next, Kiran, 15,000 into 2 by 5. You will get 6,000. How much? 9,000 and 6,000. That's it. Now let's do the total. This is 50,000. 30 plus 20, 50. Here 20. So here also 50. When you subtract, you will get 30,000 here. Now what is the total here? Let us check the total. 20,000, 3,600, 3,720, 8,000 and 6,000. It is 41,320. 41,320 minus 8,000. 33,320. Okay. Now what is the total of Praveen? 30,000 plus 4,800, 5,580, 12,000 plus 9,000. 61,380. 61,380 minus 12,000. 49,380 to balance carried on. This amount need to be shown in the balance sheet at the place of partners' capital accounts. Okay, at the time of capital account, you have to mention these balances. Okay, please copy this one. Let's move on to the balance sheet fast. Yeah, let's start the balance sheet. Okay, what are the liabilities and assets we have? First, creditors 20,500, bills payable 30,500. In the adjustments, you can find out outstanding legal expenses. Outstanding legal expenses are, I think we have written in the revaluation account, just outstanding expenses. How much? 450. Now let's write down what are the capitals. We have three partners. Already we have prepared the partners capital account, and let's write down what is the amount. What are the names? Praveen, Madan, who is one more? Kiran. Praveen, Madan and Kiran. Kiran's amount is 30,000. Praveen, 49,380. And what is the capital of Kiran? Kiran's capital is, let me check, 32,920. 32,920. These are the capitals. Let us check what are assets. Cash and stock debtors. Let's start assets. First one, cash. According to the question, we have 6,500 in the old balance sheet. Now, Mr. Madan brought 50,000, 30,000 cash and 20,000 goodwill, right? 50,000. In that, already 20,000 goodwill is taken by the partner. So, now how much it is? 56,500. Now it is total 56,500. Last question, what happened? Goodwill remained in the business itself. But now here goodwill has taken away by the partner. So you got only 56,500. Next, what is stock? Stock is 9,000. In the given question, the amount is 9,000. Next, debtors. Debtors, how much we have? Debtors is 20,000. Already in the previous balance sheet, we have 1,000 rupees PBD. In the adjustments, they asked to increase 2,000. So, total PBD is 3,000. Already existing, you got 1,000 and they have increased 2,000. Total 3,000 as provision for bad debts. Total 17,000. Now, let us move on to the depreciations. We have depreciation on furniture. How much? Furniture is how much? 5,000. On the depreciation already you calculated in the revaluation account 500. Then how much you got? 4,500. Next, what we have? Machinery, right? What is that? Machinery. Yes. Machinery we have 17,500. On that depreciation we calculated 1,750. How much you will get? 15,750. Now, buildings were appreciated. Buildings were appreciated. How much was there? 46,000 was there. It is appreciated by, total it's become 60,000. That means 46,000 appreciated was 14,000. Then how much you will get? Add appreciation 14,000, then the total amount is 60,000. Okay, 46,000 was there and it's become 60,000. And the adjustments they have given, right? So, how much they have appreciated? It's appreciated by 14,000. Now, next, investments. What is the amount of investments? What is the amount of investments? It's given 17,500. It's given 17,500. Next, bills receivable, we have 3,500. Now, let's do the total. If it is tallied, yes, we have done correctly, or else we missed something somewhere. Let us check it out. 20,500. One lakh 63,750. Liabilities, let me check. 56,500, 9,000, 17,000. $20,000 difference we are getting. Sorry, this one. When you subtract, you will get 36,500. I have added, right? 50,000 plus 6,500, 56,500 minus 20,000, you got 36,500. 1,63,750 is the total. Got it? Is there any doubts? Yeah, little bit lengthy question, but if you work out carefully, yes, you will get the correct answer. Okay? There is one more case you have to do on goodwill, that is if goodwill some part of the amount was withdrawn by the partners. Okay, fine, all of you, hope you understood the question, right? Once you understood, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Take the screenshot and then you can buy.